Hi there, it's Ralph. Today I will be showing you how I set up a scene in Blender to make a very quick render of a low poly character for my next game. Why is this render important? It's for a low poly game after all. Well, first, it's prettier. It allows you to nicely present what you've just created. Instead of just taking a screenshot, you do a render. Second, it's fast. Once you learn some basic lighting techniques and rendering, you'll be done in no time. And third, well, it's fun and you get extra visuals. For this render, I started by removing the default light. I'll do a simple tree light setup, which means one light on the top and one on each side, left and right. I'll only use area lights for this. The top light is just white, and then I use some orange and teal for the side lights. This creates a nice cinematic feel. Then the anti-gravity propulsion device stuff, I modified some basic toros or donuts and gave them a nice emission material. This part will just be for the render. In the actual game, I would use Unity's particle system that we love so much. It took some tweaking to get the right shape and size, but the result is just fine. I'm going to render this in cycles and not Eevee. I love cycles because the shadows and lights are just accurate. Eevee is fast, but not accurate. And if you just choose Eevee for the quick bloom effect, you can easily add it in the compositor after as well using cycles. Alright, at this point I felt like I should use an HDRI map to improve the lighting even more. I use a free add-on called Easy HDRI, and I just load up some good map that I found on polyheaven.com. The final part, which I should have done earlier actually, is to position the camera. One trick here is to increase the focal length to something like 120 and reduce the aperture to blur the background. You don't really want a wide angle lens for characters or single objects like this. After that, I set the color management to some medium-high contrast, and then it's ready to render. The render goes then into the compositor and then into Photoshop for the small details and the text. Alright, I hope this video was useful for you. Let me know in the comments below what you want to learn. And with that being said, I thank you very much for watching this video. Keep it up and see you next time.